Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's video is all about how to use a Teams software, Microsoft Teams software on your Android cell phone. The first thing you're supposed to do is to download a Teams app and then you're going to click the Teams app. Once you're going to click the Teams app, it is going to open the Microsoft Team app. Okay, now you can see that there are different options on the bottom. You can simply see that we have activity, chat, calendar, assignment, teams, and more. Now, as you can see that there are different teams, like there are different channels, pin channels or classes. For example, the first one is applied biotechnology. Let me click on general to just open this class. Now, when you're going to click on this class, you can see that three different options are on top: post, file, and more. So this is how the material is going to be displayed on your screen. Simply, we are going to click on files. Once we are going to click on files, we can see that different materials weekly it is uploaded. Like the class material is uploaded, week 14 work is uploaded over here, all the assignment or task, the PPTs, they're arranged or uploaded accordingly. Similarly, week 13, you can simply see that all these things and these are basically uploaded, whatever material, gene therapy material, everything is uploaded here. Now, the third option is this is how you can check your file or material of your class in Teams. Then, moving on to the third option, if you have to see the assignment, for example, the class note. Let me click on class note. When your teacher set up class notebook, you'll get it here. Fine. Notebook, when she's going to allow you, then you're going to get the things. So, the second important thing in this option is assignments. You have to click on assignments. Simply आप assignment पे जब click करेंगे, there are going to be two options again. The first is assigned and the other one is complete. Let me click on assign first. Nothing left to turn in. For example, once you're done with your assignment, you are supposed to turn in, but since the student has turned in all the material, so there is nothing left. It's fine. Just in order to review or just to see that what material you have turned in or what assignment material you have done, you're simply going to just click on completed. Now, when you're going to click on completed, you can see different introduction to biotechnology, fermentation, recombinant DNA, so many things, quizzes, everything is what the work which the student has done or uploaded on and turn in, that is displayed. For example, if I'm going to click on quiz 4, you can simply see the quiz over here. Now, quiz 4, the due date was 29 to 2011 59. The time is mentioned. You're going to simply click on this my work to see that your work is done. This is how it is going to appear. This is how the work is basically there. If it is a written material, the work is uploaded accordingly. Now you're going to move back. Now look at the top. The top option is undo turn in. Undo turn in simply means that you have not turned in. For example, in order to show you if you're supposed to just do a quiz and the date and time is assigned on the top, you're going to simply just click on this add work. You're going to upload the work. For example, upload from your device. If it is, you're going to upload it from somewhere else here, like the research proposal, whatever you want to upload. Fine. So once it is going to be uploaded, you're going to just, there is going to be an option of upload. It will be uploaded. Once it is going to be uploaded, you're going to click done, and after the done option, which is right now it is not displayed since I haven't uploaded anything, just to explain the methodology that how this above my work document is uploaded, I'm explaining this. Once you're done with this, you're going to turn in this one. Turn in simply means that your work is turned in. You can see different animations and all these simply show that your work is turned in, and the date of turn in is going to be over here. For example, if the work is done within the due date, or it will be accepted, but after this date it will be considered as late turn in, or it will not turn in. Fine. So this is how now the Google Classroom quiz is all about. So now let's move back the arrow. You're supposed to go back again. So this is how the file is going to simply show you the material or the PPTs, whatever work that your professor has uploaded, it is going to be displayed here. More is going to be the option which is going to simply tell you the assignments. Fine. Along with the assignments, your work which you have completed, it is also going to be displayed. Now let's move on to the post. Post is going to be, it's going to be a main page or home page, a dash, you can say that the it's going to be a desktop or dashbar kind of a page in which all the things are uploaded. So this is how a Google Classroom work. So I hope this video is productive for you people. Take care of yourself, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.